Hi, my name's Emma and this is my quick video on how to set up a new account code on Xero.
From the main dashboard, select the Accounting tab and Advanced. Here on the right hand side you have Chart of Accounts. This will bring up the full list of your current account codes you have on file. When selecting a new account code, select the Add Account button and fill in the fields here. First step is the account type, and today I'll be setting up a new expense code. I'm going to create a new number code for this code and call it packaging. You can add a brief description if you wish, and always set the VAT rule for the relevant expense type that you have. And you can also tick a box to view this expense code and its current up-to-date figures on the watch list here. Once click Save, it's then ready to use.